Good morning, March 2nd, 2010. We're on South Beach, south of Fifth area. In front of us is Continuum North. The latest transaction that happened in the building on February was for 4-bedroom, 4-bath on the 10th floor. The apartment with total living area of 3,497 square foot. The transaction amount was 3,250,000, which give us price per square foot for that transaction 929. For more detailed information about Continuum North amenities, maintenance price, please feel free contact Daniel at 786-234-9898. I'm a licensed broker in the state of Florida and would love to be your real estate consultant. Thank you for watching.